In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an autoplay video in Squarespace. If you've been pondering how to enhance your website's user experience by automatically playing videos on your page, you're in the right place. So let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace website editor. You'll find this by logging into your Squarespace account and selecting the website where you want to add your video. This is essentially your base of operations where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, our next task is to add a new content block to your page. Look at your editor's toolbar and click on Add Block. This will bring up a list of different content types you can add to your page. Now, we're specifically looking for the video option, so go ahead and click on Video from the list. This action inserts a video block into your page, and now it's time to edit it to suit our needs. With your video block added, click on Edit to customize your block. After clicking Edit, you will see an option labeled Add a Video. Click on this. Here, you'll have the opportunity to upload your chosen video file. Squarespace makes this easy by supporting a variety of video types. To proceed, click on Upload File, and then select the video you want to feature from your device. Now, an important aspect of autoplaying videos on websites is ensuring the video does not have sound, as this can disrupt the user experience. In fact, most browsers don't allow videos with sound to autoplay unless they're muted. So, click on Mute Video to turn off the sound. It's crucial to complete this step to make sure the autoplay feature works smoothly. With your video muted, go ahead and click on Autoplay. This setting tells your video to start playing automatically once a visitor lands on that page. Autoplaying can engage visitors immediately and spotlight your video content at the front and center. Finally, after you've adjusted all these settings and are satisfied with how your video block looks, make sure to click This action ensures all your changes are preserved and applied to your page. Once done, take a moment to review your hard work. You can preview your site to ensure everything looks and works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully added an autoplay video to your Squarespace website. Remember, the key steps involve placing the video block, uploading your file, muting the video, and setting it to autoplay. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Squarespace site. Feel free to explore more options within your Squarespace editor to further personalize your site. Until next time, happy creating!